Sabi ni Jollibee with energy ang mas malakas! Happy birthday! Maraming po salamat din sa Mommy and Daddy. And also you, Kobe. Magbibilang kami ng 1, 2, 3. You can blow your candle, baby. Together with Mommy, Daddy. Alright, all my students are ready. 3, 2, 1. Blow your candle. Yay! Happy first birthday, Kobe! Very good! Maraming salamat, Mami, Daddy. Oo, bawal naman siya ng uniform. Because ng malinis, mabango. Alright, Mami, Daddy. Wish lang po para kay Kobe. Unahin na kita, Madam.
Good health lang. Kasi sakitin siya.
Good health. Kasi pag good health ka, Jollibee, everything will follow. So, lahat magagawa mo na. Very good, Mami. Tama. Daddy ba naman po, wish para kay baby boy? Kaya? Wala nga iba. Para may iba lang tagalugin mo. Okay. Yun nga lang. Talaga, Daddy, ang cute-cute mo din. Alright, maraming salamat, Mami, Daddy. Also, si Jollibee din may wish para kay Kobe, right, Jollibee? How many wish for you, for Kobe, Jollibee? 1, 2, 3. 3 wishes for you, Kobe. First wish, Jollibee. Sana daw po si Kobe ay lumaking batang, strong and healthy like tayong lahat. Very good. Second wish, Jollibee. Sana daw po si Kobe ay lumaking batang, hindi matigas ang ulo. Tama. And last wish, Jollibee. Sana daw po si Kobe ay lumaking batang, yes, mapagmahal at always be happy. Katulad nino, katulad ni Jollibee, ni Mami, Daddy, ako at tayong lahat. Palakpakan natin si Jollibee! Yay! Family picture ko ulit, Mami, Daddy.